In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see if Vive Financial card is accepted. If you're planning a purchase and want to avoid checkout surprises, this walkthrough will help you confirm acceptance quickly and confidently, both in-store and online, using simple checks and a few smart tips along the way. First, check the card type. Look at the front and back of your card for a network logo such as Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or American Express. If a major network logo is present, the card typically works anywhere that network is accepted, subject to the issuer's rules. If there's no network logo and it's a private label or store card, acceptance may be limited to participating merchants or specific partner locations. This quick visual check sets your expectations before you even head to checkout. Next, review the card details or terms. Open your cardholder agreement or sign in to your account portal and look for language like where you can use your card, participating merchants, or eligible transactions. Note any fine print on online usage, in-store restrictions, minimum purchase requirements for promotional financing, and any geographic limitations. Terms can change, so rely on the most recent documents from your issuer. This will help you understand not only where the card works, but how it's intended to be used. Then check with the merchant. In store, look for payment logos at the entrance or on the payment terminal, and if you're unsure, ask a cashier if they accept your card or the card's network. Online, scan the payment methods section of checkout or the help center for accepted cards. Some retailers list special financing or store financing at checkout separate from standard credit card options, so review both areas before you decide. When you're ready, try a small test purchase in store or online. Make sure your card is activated and your account is in good standing. In store, insert the chip or tap and choose credit if prompted. Online, enter the exact billing address and zip code on file and be ready to complete any verification steps. If a transaction is declined, avoid repeated rapid retries. Instead, note the message and contact your issuer for clarity. Finally, know the restrictions. Most of these cards cannot be used for cash advances, ATMs, or person-to-person transfers. Some categories, third-party processors, or international transactions may be limited. Promotional offers may require a minimum purchase or participating locations. Keep an eye on available credit and pending holds, which can affect approval. With these checks, you'll know where your Vive Financial card is accepted,